Welcome to the AdSeal video on cleaning and sealing your pattern imprinted paving. First of all, brush off all loose debris and clean any ingrained stains with AdSeal orange degreaser. For the cleaning operation, ideally use a flat surface cleaner, but if not, a lance will work just as well. Start at the house and work towards the road to avoid water lodging by the house, and work methodically to ensure an even cleaning. Now allow the paving to dry completely before sealing. We are often asked what to do if the colour has faded. Well, it's easy. If the colour of the paving looks okay when it's wet, it does not need a colour. But if it still looks faded when wet, you need to look at the AdSeal video on recolouring pattern imprinted concrete. We recommend you use AdSeal Pattern Imprinted Concrete Sealer, which has been specially developed for pattern imprinted concrete surfaces. PIC can be slippery when newly sealed, so we strongly advise the use of a low slip additive. Just add to the sealer and stir in as per instructions on the label. As soon as the surface is dry, you are ready to apply the first coat of sealer. Apply some sealer to the paving and then scrub in with a stiff broom in a circular motion. Although it will vary with the age and porosity of the paving, you should apply the first coat at the rate of approximately 4 square meters per litre and the second at approximately 7 square meters per litre. Do not use more, as applying too thickly could affect the cured strength. Now wait until tack dry, about 1 hour in summer, a little longer in winter, before applying the second coat. For the best results, use an AdSeal DIY sprayer, but it can also be applied by broom in the same way as the first coat. Now you have finished. In summer, leave about 1 hour before walking on the paving and 24 hours before running a vehicle on it. In colder weather, allow longer. AdSeal.info. Quality and value.